Okay. Now here, what is the question here? Vx we are to going to find out. Now Vx is given voltage across this 20 ohm. Okay, that will be the Vx. So here you can use the nodal analysis. So mark this point with respect to this ground. So this will be the point where you can use the nodal analysis. So this will be the outgoing current, and what will be the current value? 0.5 Vx. This is already incoming, -5, because it is incoming. So here also the voltage will be the same. Okay, that will be the Vx, as the voltage across 20 ohm with respect to ground is 20. This voltage is also Vx. Both are same because no component is present here between these 2 points. So here what will be the voltage value? That is nothing but 0.25 Vx. Okay, now here if you are carefully observing, so we this current is given -5, this current is 0.5 Vx, this will be the Vx divided by 20, and this will be the Vx minus 0.2. So we can write the equation now. So -5 -5, then it will be the plus 0.5 Vx, next plus Vx divided by 20, that is outgoing current, that is also outgoing, and this is also outgoing. Okay, assume that Vx is greater than 0.20, and plus Vx minus 0.25 Vx divided by 10. So that total becomes equal to 0 here. Now if you are taking the LCM as a 20, so take the LCM as a 20, then what will be the new equation? That I will write here. So if you are taking the LCM as a 20, then it becomes -100, then plus 10 Vx, then plus Vx, then plus 1.5 Vx divided by 20, and when goes to the right hand side it becomes 0. Now if you are taking the addition of Vx, it will be 12.5 Vx, and -100 goes to the right hand side becomes +100. So value of Vx will be the 8 volt. So this will be the option. This will be the option, or if option is not given, then this will be the answer. Okay, I think in the question number 7 options are not given. So value of Vx will be the 8 volt. So here we use the nodal analysis by making the point. That point you have to identify where we can apply the KCL. So in this way we are going to solve such type of problems here. Okay, now now the next 2 points will be the ladder diagram and power observation. Okay, that we are going to start tomorrow. At that start tomorrow, what we are going to do here, first 15 minutes, for first 15 minutes what I can do, I will take that lecture 1, and after that I will display the link for test 1. So you can start the test 1 in that lecture. You can, I will give the time period as a half an hour. I will give the 10 questions. So you can first 15 minutes I will take the lecture, and after that I will allow for 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes I will give. So you can solve that test. We can use the Google form. So I will give the 10 questions. You need to solve those questions. Are you understand? So the topic will be the KVL, KCL, then nodal analysis, super nodal analysis, mesh analysis, and super mesh analysis. Okay, and already 2 points are remaining. That 2 points we will cover in the next lecture. And apart from this analysis, we learn how to find out equivalent resistance, how to find out source, or how to convert the source, that is voltage source to current, and current source to voltage source, and how to find out the value of resistances given in the delta form, and that we can convert into star, and vice versa. Okay, so based on these topics, we are going to conduct a small test having 8 to 10 questions, and that we are going to conduct in the tomorrow's lecture. That tomorrow lecture will be scheduled I think 4 to 5. So before starting that lecture, I will finish those 2 points within 15 minutes, and then I will allow for writing a test, okay, with the help of Google form. Okay, now we will stop today. Any doubt is there, you can please ask now. Still we have 10 minutes. Hello, any doubts? Whatever the example learned today, whether you people understood, okay? With help of whiteboard, it makes simple. I also get confused how to solve type of network problems, because without board we cannot solve the network problems. Like other subject, it is a different subject. For ECAT, EDT, it will be the different, but NTA will be the different. We need to solve that. We need to show the direction of current. We need to mark the polarities. We need to mark the notations, letters, everything. So without whiteboard, it is difficult to solve the network problems. Are you understand? So now we can stop now. Okay, thank you.